Hello cooking friends, welcome back to another video. In this video I'll be showing you the easiest way to make Jamaican fried dumpling, aka Johnny cakes. Let's go. I've added the mix. Now I'm going to add water. I know the instruction says add 2/3 cup milk. Don't do that. Add a 1/3 cup water and the other third can be milk. So I've added the water. I'm going to mix it a bit into the dumpling mix. Mix it a bit in the mix before I add any more liquid, aka the rest of the milk. That's it. Okay, so I'm adding my liquid a little at a time. So I'm going to put some of the milk in. And then I'm going to work the dough. And I'll be repeating this as I go along. Add some liquid. Work the dough. And keep adding some more. Until I get to the right texture. Okay, I'm finishing up with mixing the dough with a spatula, and it's time to get my hands in. Time to get my hands all dirty with some dumpling dough. Yeah, I could have been using my hands from the get-go, but I'd rather not get my hands dirty the entire time. So, it's time to roll.
I begin to
And just like magic, our dough is rolled into perfectly shaped balls of dumpling, ready to be fried up. I have my pot heating up.
I begin to I begin to. I begin to.
Yum, beautiful fried dumplings, hot out the pan. If you enjoyed watching this dumpling video, be sure to subscribe for more. Catch you in the next one.
I begin to.